Where do birds go when it gets too windy? Under bridges? In chimneys? Perhaps they go through the drains and take shelter like a scene from the underground during the Blitz. Or perhaps somewhere far more peculiar. Aboard the Starship Sanctuary.
Captain, winds are approaching 80 miles an hour in southern UK.
We have room in Sanctuary Zone 5B.
Affirmative, sir. I'll teleport the Sparrows there right away.
The Sparrows are zapped into nice warm hot tubs away from the winds, along with other species from around the world.
Wow, my first time at Sanctuary. Grandpa told me about this place, but I never thought I'd see it with my own peepers.
And they've got hot tubs to boot. In space.
Oh my god, look at her over there.
In a neighbouring hot tub was a macaw, teleported in from a tropical storm in deepest Africa.
So beautiful, so exotic. She's the most cracking bird I've seen in my whole life.
Go and talk to her.
What a daft little old sparrow like me. Why would an exotic lady like her be interested in me? Do me a favour.
Little did the sparrow know that in the tropical eyes of the macaw, he was equally exotic. And so, it came to pass that the sparrow put a special request to the captain of the Starship Sanctuary.
Please, sir, I know this is a little unorthodox, but when it comes time to zap me back to my homeland, couldn't you instead zap me back to Africa with my new lady friend? Please, it would mean the world to me.
Let me see. You know, young Sparrow, when I became the captain of this ship, I like to think I also became the captain of hearts to all who board her.
That's right.
You have my blessing.
The next day, in deepest Africa.
It's me.
And that's where birds go when it gets too windy.